Hello Tinies and welcome back to Tiny to Do. Today is the last day of our summer camp and there is one more thing today. Do you know about it? Today is 5th of June and what is on 5th of June? It's Environment Day. There are a lot of things that you can do to save your environment. At your age, the tiniest things that you can do is care for the plants that are at your home. You can water them, you can care for them. And second thing that is most important is to stop the wastage of paper. Use and reuse the paper that you are doing for your all the activities, so that there is less production of paper, and that is how we can save plants that are being cut to create paper, right? So today's activity is about upcycling newspapers, right? So the main agenda of today's class is how we can use alternative papers to create artworks rather than always using a crisp white new sheet of paper, right? So without wasting our time, let's get started. For today's activity, we'll need newspaper, scale, pencil and some crayons. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, one of the most important thing that we need to keep in mind while working with newspaper is we need to avoid any kind of headlines or any kind of images like this and color. Okay, so that whatever we are drawing and coloring comes out nicely. Okay, so for this I am marking my area from here to here, right? So let's do the marking first. I am using the marker directly. You can do it with pencil first and then do it with the marker. Okay. Okay, so this is the area which we have marked for today. Okay, so our drawing is done. Now I am going to color my birds. First I am going to take the color pink. Okay, I hope you remember and you always follow the 3 rules of coloring. What are the 3 rules of coloring? Can you tell me? Okay, let me say it for you. The 3 rules of coloring are no color outside the line, right? So we'll always try and color inside the line, right? And no white spaces. So cover all the white spaces that is in the area of our coloring zone. Okay, and the third is no scribbling. So we are not scribbling, we are coloring. So nicely, carefully we are going to color. Okay, if you will follow all these rules, your works will come out to be really nice, beautiful works. Okay. If you want, you can color these wings also. Because I have made designs on them, I am not going to color them, right? What I think is missing is the grass. I am going to make some grass. Okay, and for that we can just drag the oil pastel like that. So now we are going to cut our area which we have used. You might be thinking, why haven't I cut it out earlier? So basically the newspaper is very thin. As we all know, newspapers are very thin and they tear off very quickly. So there are a lot of chances that while coloring or while drawing, you may tear it off. If it remains with the whole newspaper, the chances of it tearing away gets very less. Okay, so that is why once we are done, then only I will suggest you to cut it out from the main newspaper. And we are done. I have few more options if you want to see. So you can also try and do it like this. Okay, so this is vertical. Okay, and here is one more that I have done. It is a cityscape. Okay, with this video we have come to the end of the summer camp, but stay tuned to the channel for more art stuff and more art activities. If you have missed any of the videos from our summer camp, you can see them in the link given in the description box below. Okay, and we are still waiting for your artworks. Okay, so tomorrow is the day when we will be posting all the works that we have received from our viewers for all the activities, right? So stay tuned to see the results of the summer camp, and stick by to the channel for more art stuff, for more art lessons, tutorials, origami lessons, and lots of art, fun and creative stuff, right? So stay home, stay safe, stay creative.